Good morning. Welcome back to Pete's Garage. It is day 3 of my 4-day Christmas vacation holiday, whatever. And we're still working on cars. I'm going to do a couple of things on the truck this morning that are just little things that'll make it a little bit better. I'm going to install the Rampage bench seat cup holder thingy. Should take 5 minutes. And put in some new speakers in the front dash because the front speakers are blown. And the radio will be more enjoyable when it's not snap, crackle, popping. And then, finally, after, 3 weeks, I will start to work on the Suburban again. So, stay tuned. So, I bought this, which is a Rampage bench seat console thingy. And it's going to fit, supposedly, right here in the center. So, let's find out. This is day 4 of my 4-day Christmas vacation. And we've gotten a lot of stuff done. And I actually got stuff done on the Suburban. Yay! Alright, well, a little bit of progress on the Suburban. We got the radiator in. Look at that. Beautiful. We got the air tube in. I'm pretty sure that'll clear the hood, but we'll have to find out. I might have to do a bend and have that come out a little bit straighter. But it clears the battery, and I think I can put a cone filter right there. It's maybe not the ideal solution, but it'll work fine. Let's see. The core support is in and attached to the fender. We had to do a little finagling to get everything to line back up again, but I think it's all good now. I mounted the fuse box, and down there I mounted the TAC module, and it's running through the firewall. We installed the drive-by-wire pedal, and that's all nice and bolted in, and everything's working. That's all good. This radiator hose I thought was going to be a challenge. I don't know what this radiator hose is from, but whatever it is, I just had to trim off a little bit of the end, and then it slid right on. So I believe that's my upper radiator hose solution. The radiator I bought off of eBay, and I spec'd it out for a Squarebody Suburban with a 454. It's a 4-core radiator with dual fans. Yeah, that was a bolt-in solution. So, progress. I'm actually back on the gas with the Suburban. So next weekend we'll go full tilt. I have a 3-day weekend again for the New Year's weekend. Not going anywhere, not doing anything, not seeing anybody. I'm going to focus almost entirely on the Suburban. I'll probably squirrel on the shop truck a little bit to get the subwoofer amplifier mounted and working, but that'll only take an hour or two. And then the rest of the time, I'm going to work on the Suburban, and the Suburban will be good. I might be able to get it to a point where it's ready for the exhaust shop, which would be very good. So, there we are.